use camera.
No. Now I use camera.
Okay, finish. Go to number 10. Okay. I go to number 20. This is to check. I can also. Okay, number 20. The first code is number 2. 1, 2, 2. If this is 0, 1, that means there is a factory silent. You can change over here. Okay, this is the second code for you to amend. Set to 02, press this reserve cancel, press test, and you see the number 88, lucky number. That means program upload to the PCB. Lucky number 88. Okay, finish that part. Okay. This one, don't worry. This one supposedly they should be doing. Just in case you drop by, go and check. If they forget, you go and, hey, why the setting is done wrongly? Okay? Okay, any question? This is only